Looking to build advanced tech skills that power real-time data analytics? Osborne Training's SAP HANA training teaches you how to work with one of the most powerful in-memory computing platforms used by global organizations. SAP HANA lets businesses process and analyze huge amounts of data instantly, making it essential in IT, data, and business intelligence roles. In this course, you'll learn SAP HANA fundamentals like in-memory database concepts, system architecture, data modeling, provisioning, reporting, and security, all explained step-by-step by expert tutors. You also get unlimited SAP Sandbox access for 6 months, recorded sessions, scenario-based study materials. You will receive a CPD certificate upon completion of the course. However, the SAP certificate is only awarded if you sit and pass the separate SAP examination exams. So what's the future after taking this course? SAP HANA skills are in high demand across IT and data-driven careers. With this training, you could pursue roles such as SAP HANA consultant, data analyst phase 2, database administrator, BI developer, or IT specialist, helping organizations make faster, smarter decisions with real-time data. Professionals with SAP HANA expertise often command strong salaries and opportunities worldwide, as businesses increasingly adopt cloud and analytics solutions. And why is this course worth it? Because SAP HANA isn't just another technology. It's a foundational platform for modern enterprise systems. Completing this training gives you practical, job-ready skills, hands-on experience with real systems, and a certification that sets you apart in the job market. Whether you're starting your tech career or ready to level up, this course gives you the confidence and credibility to succeed in the world of data-driven IT. Ready to future-proof your career in data and enterprise technology? Enroll in SAP HANA training with Osborne Training today and take the next step toward becoming a certified SAP professional.